Welcome back to A3 Thinking. We thought we'd share with you an example of an annual plan. The first examples we showed you, the blank and the completed one, were for a 3 to 5 year Hoshin plan. This is an annual plan, but you'll notice that the format looks very, very similar. On the left side, we have here's what our targets are and last year's results. So this is comparing what we said we were going to do to what we actually did. So the annual plan has a lot more grasp the situation with data on it. And not only this year's results, last year's goals, but we have reflections on last year's activities. So not just the goals we set for ourselves, but the activities that led us there. As you recall in the previous A3s, the longer term planning documents, we set out specific strategies. Well, this is where we analyze those strategies. And we just identify what the activity was, and then we give it a rating. And in this case, the rating code is red, yellow, or green. Obviously, green meaning was successful, we did it well, we accomplished what we set out to accomplish. Yellow, we're kind of on the fence, some things went well, some things didn't go well. And red, crash and burn, we didn't accomplish or that activity didn't do what we wanted it to do. Now, it's very important that we identify all of those, especially the reds, because the reds are what we're going to learn most from in going forward and planning for next year. Also, key results and lessons learned. So what did we learn from that activity? And obviously, as you know, we learn more from activities that we struggle with than from activities that we did really well at. Below, in this section now, is analysis and justification for this year's activities. That means this explains why we're going to do all of this stuff. So based on what we set out to do and how we did, how well our activities went, we're going to justify and explain what all this is for and why we're doing it. So if we move over to the left side, you can see, just like in the other examples, we identify our goals, our strategies, the activities that support those, but this one is organized not by year, but by month. It's a one-year plan, so we've broken out the year into 12 months. But we have the same section below here for follow-up or unresolved issues. This one even has the budget implications. So it looks very similar to a 3 to 5 year A3. It's just more focused on what we've done in the past year here on the left side and what we're going to do in the year going forward. So that's a 1 year A3 plan.